As we move forward into 2025, we cannot afford to rest on our laurels. The evolving security landscape demands innovation and adaptability. We will prioritize strengthening cybersecurity, countering terrorism, enhancing community policing, and professionalizing the force. Our officers' welfare will remain at the forefront, ensuring that they have the tools, resources, and support needed to excel. As strategic managers, your leadership will be key to the success of these initiatives. The performance of the Nigerian Police Force in 2025 depends on your ability to equip officers with the skills, mindset, and tools necessary to meet emerging threats. Together, we will continue to transform the Nigerian Police Force into a modern, effective, and trusted institution. On behalf of the Nigerian Police Force, I express our sincere appreciation to the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his unwavering support throughout 2024. We also acknowledge the collaborative efforts of other security agencies and the Nigerian public in our shared commitment to law enforcement. I would also like to recognize the dedication of our officers whose tireless service continues to drive our success. We remain committed to improving their welfare and ensuring they have the resources needed to perform at their best. As we are already in the festive season, I extend my warmest wishes to the Nigerian people. We are committed to ensuring robust security throughout the holiday period, with heightened vigilance to protect lives and property. Before now, it used to be Intelligence Bureau, but we now have a department that's in charge of intelligence. That means an upgrade in our intelligence outfit. We are doing everything possible to position that department for effective intelligence-led policing. Modern policing is intelligence-led. So we are paying adequate attention to enhancing our intelligence capacity. We are acquiring technical equipment to enhance technical intelligence. We are also cultivating the confidence of the people so that we also improve on our human intelligence. And we have been tracking the bandits. We've been tracking them. I'm not going to give you the details of how we do it. Our results, our achievements shows that no bandit anywhere that cannot be tracked. It may take us time, but we'll still get you. Then Olayemi's son wanted for those who are reporting virtually, visual reporting, you want me to give you a brief overview of the highlights of our major achievements in the year. I have it here. I skipped because it is lengthy. But I will give you the statistics if that is what you want. During the year 2024, the total number of arrests in the year is 30,313. We arrested 30,313 suspects. For a range of serious offenses, including kidnapping, coercion, murder, rape, armed robbery, and unlawful possession of firearms. In addition, we recovered 1,984 assorted firearms, 23,250 rounds of ammunition, 1,438 stolen vehicles, and rescued 1,581 kidnapped victims. The breakdown of that will be provided by the first PRO. I hope that answers your question. Then the last question is, when are we going to have the type of police that we have in Abuja? I heard this yesterday from somebody. Someone said that if you are in other states, that the police, the way you see the police dress is very discouraging. You won't want to join the police. But when you come to Abuja, you see a different police in the way they dress, in the way they approach you and all of that. It's one of the things we are going to discuss at this conference. Good enough, the commissioners of police in those states are here, and they heard when you asked that question. So it's a task that we are going to give to all the commissioners of police to go, and they will start looking into the appearance of their police officers in their states. And any state where we have negative reports about the police, the Commissioner of Police will have questions to answer. Then you also want to know whether in 2025 we should be expecting to have more modern police stations. I will say yes to that. We are going to build more modern police stations. We will not only build more modern police stations, we will modernize the existing police stations that we have in the year 2025. Question 2. Visibility of our men is poor, according to the person who asked that question, and that in my speech I didn't mention recruitment in 2025. You are very correct. We have shortage of manpower in the police, no doubt about that. All Nigerians know that. There is nothing new about that. Nigerians also know that we have been making significant efforts to address the shortage of manpower in the police. We have started recruiting. Year 2024, the DIG training is sitting right beside me. He will have been able to give you the details of the number of recruitment that we have made into the police in year 2024. But we are going to improve on our recruitment in 2025. We are going to start in February recruitment of additional 10,000 and then 30,000. Mr. President has approved that we should do yearly recruitment of 30,000. So for 2025, we are not going to do just 30,000, we are going to do 40,000, because we have a balance of 10,000 from the previous year that we'll first of all handle before we go into the 30,000 that is approved for the year. So in 2025, we are going to have recruitment in excess of the 30,000 approved, because we have a balance of 10,000 that we are going to carry forward into the new year. A plan to respond to the activities of this group jointly with the military. Our response is going to be a coordinated joint response with the military, and we are working on it. Thank you.